Okay, guys, I'm doing a full hotel review of the Westin on 9th Street in Washington, D.C. There are a lot of Westins in D.C., but this is by far my favorite, and a big reason why is that it recently went through a major renovation, so everything feels newer, cleaner, and updated. It's also in an excellent location right near the convention center and directly across from City Center, D.C., which gives you easy access to great shopping and restaurants. For context, I am a Platinum Marriott member, and I was staying here for a conference, so I was upgraded from a standard room to a king studio. During peak conference times, rates here were around $450 a night, but they drop by about $200 when there isn't a major event going on, so keep that in mind. Let's start with the room itself because this is where the hotel stands out. Even though it was technically a king studio, the layout felt much more like a one-bedroom because there is a clear separation between the living area and the sleeping space. That alone made a huge difference for me because I was staying for multiple nights and I was mixing work with downtime. The living area is surprisingly spacious, well-designed setup, couch, TV, and a small but functional sort of kitchenette area with a coffee station and a fridge. Great natural light in this room if you're on a higher floor, which we were, and it makes the whole space feel more open and inviting. Overall, I liked the lighting here because some Marriott properties like the W can feel very dark, and when you're actually in the room, I enjoy it being bright. Bedroom area also had a TV, which was a nice touch, and there's a bench beneath it that works perfectly for storing a suitcase without cluttering the rest of the space. Have to mention the bed, which is exactly what you would expect from a Westin. It was very, very comfortable. Bathroom also well done, spacious, modern. Clearly part of the renovation, enough room to move around comfortably, feels finished, clean, updated. Lighting is also great, and overall a very large, functional, well-designed bathroom that matches the quality of the rest of the room. Moving on to the common spaces here, another area where the hotel really delivers. The lobby is massive, plenty of room to sit, meet people, hang out. Right in the center, there's a lively bar that becomes a natural gathering spot, especially if you're in town for a conference or event. One of those setups where it's really easy to meet up with colleagues without having to plan too much. On one end of the lobby, there's a market where you can grab wine, beer, snacks, coffee, super convenient. There's also a full restaurant as well as a Starbucks on site, which makes it easy to grab a quick drink or get some work done without actually having to leave the building. Now, if you head down a level or two, you'll find quieter nooks and seating areas that are perfect if you need to really open your laptop up and focus. Finally, let's talk about the neighborhood outside because the location is a huge win. You are steps from the convention center and you have City Center DC right here. So you have high-end shopping, great dining, literally minutes away, along with some cute coffee shops. And once you step out, there are plenty of additional restaurants, so you definitely are not confined to the hotel. Overall, this is definitely my favorite Westin in Washington, D.C., and a strong option if you're traveling for business or want just a well-located, comfortable stay in the city. If you enjoy all things related to travel, remember to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.